Shawty shine brighter than my VV. Shawty look like she just jumped off a TV. Baby bitch, say why you finagle around the city? We both know you bad, but they tryna do you dirty. Shawty shine brighter than my VV.
What's happening? So I'm back with another tutorial, but this time it's a client tutorial, and we just gonna hop right into it. The primer I'm using is the Too Faced Hangover primer, and right here I'm actually using the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. I love those two mixed together. It's just the perfect combination. And right now we're getting into brows. Right now I'm just using the Benefit to, you know, get those brows in place. And for the actual brow, I'm using Kat Von D tattoo brow. That, y'all, no, it's called Dip brow. I don't know, but it's by Kat Von D. I'll have it in the description. But them brow, that gives me life. Like, oh my god, it's just amazing. And right now I am sculpting out the brow with Maybelline Instant Rewind concealer. I like to use a lighter concealer on the bottom. I use that same color on all my clients, and I like to go on the top with their skin tone so it can just blend everything in together. And let's see, and I also like to blend it on the bottom where I have that white highlight. I like to blend that color on there as well. You'll see right here, just so it can mesh, because I really do not like highlighted brows. That's so ugly. And I did go ahead and set her eyelids. I also put that concealer on her eyelids as well for our eyeshadow later. And for the foundation, I actually use the L'Oreal True Match. I use Classic Tan and also Soft Sable mixed together, and I just blended those two out, and it became the perfect color on her face. And I actually don't know why this didn't record, but I actually used Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C13 to actually contour her face and bronze it up a bit. And for the under eye highlight, I used that same concealer but in the color C13. And on top of that, I used, to actually lighten it up, the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 42, just to give it a brighter look. And yes, a fan is necessary for it to dry a little bit so you can get that perfect blend, and so it can actually stay put. And I just blended that out with a brush, and that is a brush from a brush set I got on Amazon. Dope brush set is my favorite brush set. So yeah, I'm just blending that out. Blend. And I also went back with that same foundation brush and just blended around the edges so everything can blend seaming. I cannot talk today. So everything can blend, y'all. So everything can blend. My sister's hungry, y'all. So for the powder, I use Butternut Beige from Luscious by Lynn. I love that powder. I'll actually have the link in the description, but yes, Butternut Beige. And let's see, on top of that, I actually use the C7 powder Studio Fix Plus from MAC, so it can actually brighten up as well. I love that powder. I always put it on top of any under eye setting powder. And right now I'm actually using the Milani Earth Glow pressed powder just to bronze her face up so we can get that sun-kissed glow. Now I'm using the Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place. I love that palette. And right now I am actually using all over face powder, and that is from Black Opal in the color Dark. And I'm contouring her nose with that Milani powder that I used to actually bronze and contour her face. So pretty. I love that bronzer, and I'm actually using it in her crease as well. Like, you can use that for anything. Like, I love using bronzers and creases anyways. It is so pretty. And I actually didn't record the whole eye look. I don't know what happened, but I actually put Precious Petal on her lids, and that is a highlight color from Wet n Wild, and I also used that as a highlight on her face. And of course, the setting spray I use is, I forgot the setting spray. What is that setting spray? I forgot. But anyways, back at it again with this bronzer under the eye, so it won't look so bland under the eye. And for the mascara, she has some long lashes. I did use the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, of course. I love that. That's my favorite mascara. And the lashes and the eyeliner is actually Wet n Wild eyeliner. I love that eyeliner. That's the only eyeliner I use. And she did get lashes from the beauty supply store, and I just curled them, but they were dope. And we're finished. Like, look at her. Just look at her hair. Her hair is so pretty, but really, really dope. I really love this look. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I already got 1 million followers. Like, I need some more.